Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to create a WordPress plugin that can help us to embed videos from YouTube directly. So here I'm trying to implement the official YouTube channel. Okay. And I'm also trying to add an option where I can call videos, shorts, podcast, live, post, playlist, everything. Okay. So let's jump back to the Claude and try to write it out. First thing, I need to create a WordPress plugin that can help me to embed videos from YouTube. Okay, first thing is done. Second thing, I also want an option where I can choose from between videos, shorts, playlist, etc. Okay. Third thing, make sure the plugin is fully secure. Next thing, also want an block option to call. Okay, so let's try it out with this and let's see how it will render it out. Okay, so let's hit enter and now let me just pause the video and wait for the result. Hi, welcome back. So here we have the plugin ready. Let's download this zip file and try to install it in our browser. Okay, let's open the downloads, extract the plugin, copy everything, go to WP content, and let's go to the plugins and hit paste. So here I have the fresh WordPress installed. Let's go back to the WP admin, plugins, and try to activate that plugin and check if it's working perfectly fine or not. Let's activate it. Let's see what option do we have here. Oh, I don't find any. So let's try it out. Go to any page, edit that page, and let's see what we can do with that now. Okay, let me just call it YouTube Embed Pro. Okay, paste video short playlist that generated. Nice. Let's just go to this and try to check if it's worked or not. Let's paste this. No video found in that playlist. Okay, I actually need to add a playlist. So let's try this one. Go back to the plugin. Sorry, in the page. Edit that from there. Okay, here we have that. Let's save it and try to view it in a page. Looks perfectly fine. So, but there are a couple of things are missing. Okay, we always need to add some like manual links or manual content as well. I don't want that in this. Okay, so let's just usage here it is, type chart and everything. Okay, so let's alter the something first to add an option in the admin panel where I can define the channel name or ID. Okay, first thing sorted out. We need an option in the admin panel, and when we call this as a blog, then ask us what you need: a short playlist, a video, etc. Okay, and I guess that is it for now because there is no option in that. I believe so. Let's see if no, there is nothing in it. The tools, everything else is empty. Appearance is also empty. There is no option in that. Okay, so let's rebuild that and let's see if it's work this time or not. Let's hit enter and wait for the final result. Hi, welcome back. So here we have the updated plugin. Let's download this as well. Go to our downloads, open this, copy everything, open our plugin, delete everything, paste here. Okay, let's go back to the admin panel and try to refresh it out. So everything is fresh now. Let's find the setting. Here we have that YouTube Embed Pro. You can add a channel name. I want to add this as a channel name. Here it is. Let's save the changes. YouTube using a channel ID, using a CC. Okay. Let's find this. Let's open a Claude. What is the channel ID of this YouTube channel? Let's copy here. Let's see what we can get with that. Okay, it's still searching, browsing it out. I believe there is something, I'm not quite sure how to find the channel ID. So this is the channel ID. Let's copy this, go back to our option, paste here, and let's just paste. Okay, it's saved. No issue with that. Let's refresh this page one more time. And now we can change this. Let's select this. Here we have this as a video. Oh, sorry, as a playlist. Okay, so we don't need that. So we need a playlist name. Okay, let's open the playlist. Try to open any one. Let's use this. And I want to add that here. Let's save. And we do have a layout option as well. Match the embed type. Perfect. Playback and privacy. We do have that as well. So let's refresh this. Refresh. Everything looks good. Now create add a new block here. Let's call it for the shorts. Okay, I want shorts. Okay, let's go back to this. And I want this short. Let's go back to there. Sorry. Here we have that. Let's save it. Refresh there. And looks perfectly fine. So here we can add that. And I think that's it for now. Everything looks fine. We can also add title where it will show. Let's see. Save it. Refresh it on, I guess, on the bottom side. Or no, it's not showing anywhere. So let's go back to there. Okay. So here we have successfully created a YouTube plugin where we can add embed types as well. Okay. We can also try channel uploads as well. Let's save. Let's try this out. Pick a channel or save a setting under YouTube Pro. I did that already. Let's refresh one more time. Oh, okay. Here we have that channel. Let's save this. Okay, it's a copyright issue, so there is no issue with that. Perfect. Looks perfectly fine. Okay, and we do have that. No, we can also change the embed type layout as well, maximum width, and everything else. So here we have successfully created a plugin. Okay, so let's wrap this up. If you have any question, any doubt, any suggestions, then you can comment on the video description. So we will sort this out. And if you want to download this plugin, I will paste the GitHub link where you can download this plugin as well. Or you can always follow along and create something on your own and with some additions that you want in your project. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead. See you in the next video.